Alright guys, we're back. We're back with another video. No, I don't want you. You're going there. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of this poop crap stuff there, down all the way down here. This is gonna be really one of my first times playing Roblox on here. I really just made my avatar and tested out a couple of games. Okay, I won't be able to do Roblox through that because that's on Microsoft Edge. Not on Microsoft Edge, on Internet Explorer. Okay. So we're gonna make green. And yes, I am Pizza Dr. Pepper. That ain't a joke. That is my tablet account. If you want to friend me, I'll Hi Scorpion 500. I'll be sure to friend others. Let's see. Let's see what my one friend is playing, because that friend played other games with my other friends. Okay. Okay. I see all of you. Let's go back to games. I found this is gonna be like a really relatable game. Look, if it's every camping game ever by Square Papyrus 12, it's gotta be amazing. And there. It literally took me 5 hours to make that horrible game. New map coming soon, yeah. And working on a new ending. Yes, very cool. Feel free to like it or doesn't like, it's your choice. Okay. At least he didn't care. You know, I wouldn't either. Okay, I want to play that one next. We're gonna put that one in a new tab. If you couldn't tell up here, I sent it to a new tab. It's already been 4 minutes. Me is scrolling through Roblox. Maybe next video I'll do a new run of Five Nights at Freddy's Pizzeria Simulator. I'll show you current pizzeria after we see what this is. Because there was no image. Okay. And am I the only one in this game? Oh no. Okay, do I have you back? Okay, I'm gonna leave it in your back because it's just gonna say the end roll. Okay. 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 This is dumb. But I really enjoy this. And I don't think that I should inform. Okay, this time I'm not gonna go into the house. I see if there's an ability or not. I figured it was gonna be. Maybe in the next video. Oh. Well, looks like they debunked my thing. Technically, that is a secret. That's a beautiful game. That is a beautiful game. So, a Roblox horror game. Rat update? The rat army got nothing on the red army. Rat's a military simulator? We are better at this. This is a joke. Oh, hold on. We are better. This is a joke. So I'm gonna click open. Who actually liked the Arthur characters when they first came out? And then, okay, here's my opinion on the Arthur characters. They're extremely weird. And now they have the Jazz Weirds figures of them. And they're weird too. They're not right. Okay, Mazel Raz. Okay, the way lower, which I didn't notice that at first. And then Gam. No! This is gonna send my videos into 10 minutes. So just to get into the 10 minutes, I'll be right back. Oh, that's not an ow. Hey, we got Mark. This is totally a good video. It's just perfect. I need to go over the 10 mark. I was gonna make sure cliche and just end the video there. I'm gonna go to 12. 12 minutes because I love the way he spelled it. I mean, it's the right way to spell them. Game. Which is right. Okay. Look up Heaven's Door. It's a cool stand. I'll look up Heaven's Door for you, so you don't have to. Heaven's Door. It'd be really interesting if I put in a instead of an apostrophe. Door. It's a cool stand. I like this stand. Even though it didn't to me when I first saw it, I thought it was... And then I got closer into the camera. I really liked it quite a bit. Okay, the last game of the video. Get to the 15-minute mark. Alright. Let's hope DJ Cook makes a video on me saying I stretch my videos. Because that will really boost my channel up. Let me play. I'm gonna play a Roblox horror game. What? Light bulb. I know you are. Party on. I don't know arm, but. Libre del sí. What the? Okay, I think I broke my Roblox. Roblox is now to get ready to play. Finally got some channel banner art. It's nebulous. I also got a new icon. The Galaxy Wolf. It's a classic on my channel. It was actually one of the first icons I started using next to the marshmallow ones. And that's really it. It's something in the game. Okay, the most I can hope for is the 20-minute mark. That's to hope for.